If you are interested to buy the material, below any video of my channel, below the video on the information field, you can find all my contact methods, my Facebook page address, and my email address. Just send me a message via Facebook page or send me an email for the detail will be okay. Okay, now let's get started for the tutorial. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you my second idea about decorate the stand with our material. I will use our flower wire. And about how to assemble this acrylic stand, you can check my old video. I paste the link on the information field. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first of all, we take the hook and tie the flower wire on the hook. The length of our flower wire just right to cover the circle of the hook. Okay. Since I'm holding the phone, it's not much convenient. Look at this. The length of the wire fit the hook well. Okay, this time I will use this twist tie to take the hook on the flower wire onto the hook. It's simple, just tie and trim it, will be okay. If you want to know how to make the flower wire, please check my old video. Find the link on the information field below this video. Okay, if you want to watch the basic tutorial, below any video of my channel on the information field, you can find the basic video on the relative tutorial list. Okay, go on the tutorial. Okay, then the next one, I will show you the effect. Okay, complete it. And then put the hook on the stand. I'm holding the camera. If you want to know how to assemble the hook stand in detail, you can check my old video. I have a separate video to show you in very detail. But anyway, I will show you the screw. Just put the screw together, screw them together will be okay. Okay, I will show you the effect. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. Please note that the material is acrylic, so it's much more fragile than metal stand. So you need to pay much more careful compared with decorates with the metal hook. Okay, it almost completed. Just put some flower in the middle will be okay. If you have some foam, you can put some flower on it will be okay. But I have another further idea how to add our string LED light on the flower. I have two ideas. One is tie around the flower, and another idea is tie the light on the inner circle. Let's check the effect. Okay, the string LED light. Very simple. If you just want to put it on the inner side of the hook, remember the trick tie I use when I tie the flower wire on the hook. Just hang the light on the tie will be okay. And then the next tie like this. Very easy. Then I will show you the effect. And then add the bubble. Very simple also. Just tie them on the hook will be okay. Okay, completed. Let me turn on the light and turn off the light. Okay, since the foam I'm using is not perform good on the darker environment, so I will change another cell foam to show you the real effect. 1 second. Okay, I change other cell foam. This is the idea about put the light on the inner circle. And if you have LED candle, you can put the LED candle on into the bubble. The effect will be much more pretty. I just show you the concept. And the real effect will be much more pretty than showing on the screen. In fact, the light is warm white color, and the environment is very romantic. But I cannot show you by the front. Okay, then let's move the light from the inner side to the outside. I will show you the effect. Okay, this is the effect after I put the light on the outside of the hoop. put the LED candle on the bubble, the effect will be much more better. And again, the real effect will be much more pretty and much more romantic than it's showing on the screen. Since I'm using the cell phone, not a professional camera, I cannot show you the real effect. Actually, the light is warm white color, very romantic. Okay, I turn on the light. The effect after I turn on the light will be much more close to reality, so you can see the effect. Okay, this is today's tutorial. If I have any new idea about decorate the home with my material, I will take new video and post on my channel. Please keep eyes on, and please don't skip the advertisement because I need the revenue to buy the material and take more video. Okay, so thank you for your watching. Bye bye.